Welcome to GMC Machine Tools, reliable equipment you can trust. Here we have a GMC HBB 1010 NC hydraulic box and pan brake with NC control. This is a Taiwan quality machine and is the pinnacle of our powered box and pan brake line. This HBB features a 48-inch NC touchscreen controlled power back gauge. The NC control can store up to 100 programs with 16 steps in each program with angle correction in each step. Another feature is its ability to control ram height for doing open hems on up to 22 gauge mild steel. The HBB 1010 NC is capable of bending 120 inches of 10 gauge mild steel or 12 gauge stainless steel. This is available in 220 volt 3-phase and is backed by a 1-year factory warranty for parts. With rigid all-steel construction, hardened work table and fingers, coupled with Rexroth hydraulics, Schneider electrics, and Yaskawa servo drives, this machine was designed for longevity.